this video, I'll show you how you can restore power plan options on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now first what you want to do is open up CMD, right click and run as an administrator. Now in here I have some commands that you can use and I'll leave this in the description, but what you want to do is you want to find the one that you want to restore. So in this case, let's say I want the ultimate performance one. I would just copy this one, paste it, press enter, and then this should say like this. Then what you want to do is search for power plan, head over here and go to power options. And as you can see, it's now in here. Now it's triple for me because I tested it and I added it multiple times. So that's why you can see more of them. But that's basically how it works. Now make sure you also have this one. Sometimes some people don't know that you have to open up this one to see the extra ones. So that's how you can do it. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.